Okay, so today I want to share with you a really interesting case study. Now this didn't happen to me, but happened to a friend of mine, and I want to share this idea with you because I was analyzing it and it's great. I think it's a great idea. So here's what happened. My friend just had a baby. I'm actually also expecting a baby, so this will be fun. But anyways, my friend just had a baby and his wife was actually buying diapers online. Now here's the thing, the service that she used is great because they send the diapers to your house, right? And it's a one less stress that you need to handle and you need to take care of. Now, they saw that she was on her third purchase, and so they made her an offer. And the offer was the following: hey, would you like to subscribe on a monthly subscription that we would accordingly update and send you every single month the package accordingly to your baby's month, right? So makes sense. She was already buying the product, so it does make sense for them to have a subscription plan that they will just send them instead of her going to the website, right? Now, here's the lesson that I learned. They made that client's life easier, and at the same time, they secured that client. Why? Now, that person could go to another store, for example, right? My friend's wife, she could go, for example, when she's shopping on just a supermarket, she could go and grab the diapers, for example, or if she is on a shopping, she can just go to another store and buy the diapers. But because now she is on subscription, she knows that that website will send the diapers directly to her house every single month, so she has one less worry. So it's a win-win situation because for them, they have a loyal client now that is expecting them to deliver, and for her, she is on a peace of mind because she doesn't need to worry more about that product. Now, think of the ways that you can implement things that will make you money and at the same time help your client. That is the biggest takeaway that I can take from this. Or try to find a way of making your service becoming a monthly subscription service. And that way you can increase the revenue of your business. Now, this doesn't apply to any single business, but applies to most business out there. And I think that if you're creative enough, you can find a way to actually execute on that. Now, that's it for today's video. It's a really quick and really short one. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm uploading a video every single day here on the channel. I didn't miss one day yet. And if you want to keep on watching more videos, subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and I'll see you tomorrow. My name is Carlos Arthur. Thank you very much indeed, and bye.